Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the car powered to ACC or on so the Entune/infotainment system is active. First, tap Menu or Home on the touchscreen. You need to open Setup or Bluetooth quickly. You do this because the system stores pairings and only shows options when active. Once the settings screen appears, choose Bluetooth and wait for the paired devices list to load. This gives you the control to manage connections immediately. Now locate the specific device name, likely your phone, and select it from the paired list. You'll see options like delete, remove, or forget. Choose the one shown because different Camry years use different labels. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This clears the pairing and prevents automatic reconnection. If the system asks, also clear call and media profiles so Bluetooth history is fully erased and the head unit won't attempt to reconnect later. Once you remove the device, restart the infotainment or cycle ignition to ensure the change sticks. The system refreshes settings on reboot. If your phone still reconnects, open Bluetooth on the phone and forget or remove the Camry entry. This avoids mutual auto-pairing. If pairings persist across devices, perform the head unit's master reset as a last resort. Be aware this clears all settings, so backup presets first. That troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.